Hey parents! You are welcome again to my channel. Today we are looking at improving our child's emotional intelligence. Ever wonder how to help your child handle big feelings without always having a meltdown? Good news! You don't need fancy tools or parenting degrees. Just simple everyday conversations can actually grow their emotional intelligence. Let me show you how. The first is to name the feelings. So, first thing, help your child name what they're feeling. Let's say your kid throws their toy because it didn't work. Instead of just saying, "Stop that," try, "You seem really frustrated right now." Is that how you're feeling? Why? Because kids often feel a lot, but they don't have the words yet. You're basically giving them a feelings dictionary every time you label it. 2. Share your own emotions. This one's underrated. Talk about your feelings too. Not in a dramatic way, but casually, like, "I'm a little tired, so I am taking a rest." This shows them that emotions are normal and we can handle them in healthy ways. Number 3, use storytime as a tool. Bedtime stories or cartoons? Perfect moments. Pause and ask, "How do you think he feels now?" What would you do if that happened to you? You're not just making it fun. You're teaching empathy without a lecture. Celebrate the small wins. When your child does express their feelings well, even a little, celebrate it. Say, "I love how you told me you were sad instead of yelling." That small praise goes a long way. It encourages them to keep using their words. Lastly, keep it light. Now, don't stress if your conversations aren't perfect. Even short chats in the car, during snack time, or before bed help. It's all about consistency, not perfection. The more you talk, the more they learn, and feel safe to open up. So next time your child's emotions feel big, remember, you don't have to fix it all. Just talk. A little connection goes a long way in building emotionally smart, confident kids. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and share with another awesome parent. And tell me in the comments, what's one emotion word your child has learned recently?